Hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my first makeup video in my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how I created this makeup look especially for beginners. So I hope you will enjoy the video. For that, please do watch the video till the end. For the first step, I'm using this Rosewater from Alps Goodness as a moisturizer and also as a toner. According to your skin type, you can use any kind of moisturizer for long makeup stay. Now I'm letting it to dry for a moment and go to the next step. Now for the second step, I'm using this face serum from Good Vibes to minimize the pores and also to give a glow in my face. Just massaging it to let it absorb very well. Now for the third step, I'm going to use face gel from Alps Goodness to prevent from irritation and itchiness. That I'm going to use all the products. And then for the next step, I'm going to use sunscreen from Lakme to keep away from suntan and keeping my skin hydrated. So this is a very important step that you should never skip, especially if you are going outside. And then now comes the fifth step. For that, I'm using this Blue Heaven oil-free foundation. You can use any type of foundation according to your choice. You can apply it with the help of beauty blender or with your fingers. But for beginners, you can use a blender because they easily helps to blend properly. For the next step, I'm using this Nybae Makeup Concealer. And then I blend it with a blender. Now comes the other important step. For that, I'm using this compact from Maybelline Fitme compact powder. While using sponge, please press the sponge in this way. At first, I apply them on my under eye area and then continue all over the face and the neck area. And then now I'm using this palette from Cameleon Velvet Touch. This one I use it as a eyeshadow setting and sometimes blusher, and also I use as a contouring. And then I use this eye palette for my eyelid area and also for my eyebrow setting. And then now I will use a little bit of this shade on my eyelid. And then now comes the next step, that is the eyebrow. For that, first I will brush the brows like this and then draw the line using this Nybae eyebrow pencil, which is in brown shade. I just draw the line a little bit. So after drawing a line, I just use this brush to set up properly. And one thing, I'm not good at drawing brows and I'm just a beginner, so please don't mind. And then now I'm using this a little bit of white shade on my underbrow areas to give some proper shape of my brows. And then I'm also going to add it on my eye area. And also I added another shade for my eyelid. For eyeliner, I'm using from Dazzler liquid eyeliner. And then after that comes the very important step, that is the mascara. This is from the brand called Note. If you don't like using fake eyelashes, then you can go with mascara, because mascara gives your eye very attractive, and so do not skip this step. Next comes the last step. For lips, today I'm using this I-Amsterdam Super Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade of red. So firstly, I just drew the shape of the lips so that it makes me easier to apply it very well and gives your lips a proper shape. So after completing everything, I just set it up with a compact powder to give a finishing look. So this is my last makeup look, and that's how I used to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for clicking into this video. So till then, see you next time. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.